Hi everyone, this is Vijay. Before going to class, subscribe and support my channel Stats Vijay. Now I am going to take median. Median may be defined as the value of that items which divides the series into two equal parts. Median, which indicates the name as the middle items of the series. So this is the data. Find out the median x 10, 15, 9, 25, 19. Write down the x as ascending order. So ascending order is small to big, 9, 10, 15, 19, 25. The formula is median equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item. Size of n plus 1 by 2th item. So size of n is number of values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So size of 5 plus 1 by 2th item. So 6 by 2th item. 6 by 2th item is size of third item. So size of third item in this data 1, 2, 3. Third item is 15. The median value is 15. The median value is 15. So this is the odd values. This is the odd values. If it is even, the data is even, how to solve this value? Now same this data, if it is even, so I will add one value, is 35. So here 35, right? The ascending order is 9, 10, 15, 19, 25, 35, the even number of the data. Same thing, median equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item. Size of n plus 1 by 2th item. So now the n value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 1 by 2th item. So size of 6 plus 1 is 7 by 2th item. 7 by 2th item is size of 3.5th item. 3.5th item. 3.5th item is between 3 and 4. Between 3 and 4 is 3.5th item. So size of third item plus 4th item divided by 2. Size of third item plus 4th item divided by 2. So size of third item is 15 plus 4th item is 19 by 2. So 20, 34 by 2. 34 by 2 is 17. The median value is 17. So next one is discrete series. Next one is discrete series. X 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Then F 2, 4, 3, 5, 1. So X and F. So same median equal to, the formula is median equal to size of capital N plus 1 by 2th item. Capital N plus 1 by 2th item, where capital N equal to summation F, where capital N equal to summation F. So now the F value is 6, 9, 10, 15. Summation F equal to 15. So size of 15 plus 1 by 2th item. (16 by 2th item). 16 by 2th item. Size of 16 by 2th item is 8th item. So now find the cumulative frequency. Find out the cumulative frequencies. First value is 2. Add this value. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So we have to check it. Is there is 8 in cumulative frequency. there is no 8 in cumulative frequency. So we have to choose maximum of 8. Maximum of 8 is 9. So I choose this 9. So the x value is 15. So median is 15. Median is 15. Okay. Next one is continuous series. So x is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and frequency 4, 3, 5, 2, 1. So next one is find the cumulative frequency. Same thing, first value is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. Okay. So median formula is median equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into Ci, class interval. So L is lower limit, Cf is cumulative frequency, Ci is class interval. So now find out the capital N by 2. Capital N by 2. Capital N is summation f. Summation f is 15. So n by 2 is 15 by 2. 15 by 2 is 7.5. 7.5. So same thing, we have to check it is 7.5 in cumulative frequency. If it is no, means we have to choose maximum of 7.5. Maximum of 7 is 12. So I choose this value 12. So this is the lower limit L, this is the L value, lower limit, and this is the frequency. In above value is cumulative frequency. Okay. So now apply the formula. L is 30, 30 plus 7.5 minus Cf is 7 divided by frequency is 5 into what is the class interval? Class interval is difference is 10. So class interval is 10. So 30 plus 7.5 minus 7 is 0.5 divided by 5 into 10. So 30 plus 0.5 divided by 5, 0.1 into 10. So 30 plus 0.1 into 10 is 1, so equal to 31. So our median answer is 31. Thank you.